Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time again, I think it was the last video before the last one. I think I like the way we did it with the ink. We did put our acrylic on our canvas and then we did put some ink over it. I think the result is great. I think it's a nice change from going to do your ink on a hard surface like glass or something like that. So I think I'm going to stick to it, but this time I'm going to do a flip cup. I'm going to do a dirty pouring, and afterwards we're going to put our ink and we're going to move around our canvas to see what happened and try to make something out of it. So without overdue, let's go and try it. So guys, I don't know what you think, but for me, I think it's one of the nicest. I don't know if you noticed, but on the left corner, the place where we put our acrylic, our ink, I mean, it does like, it looks like space. So I don't have to tell you that it gives me an idea for our next painting. So anyway, I think this one is great. I think up to now, because as always, I don't see it dry. You see it dry, but I don't. Since I did put a lot of Floetrol in it, and the ink, the work between the two of them, it's incredible, because now, unlike the last time we did with the acrylic and the ink, I see a lot of work happening, a lot of change happening as it dries. So I think it's going to be great. I think it's another very nice technique. Of course, we're going to try something else next time, but like I said, because I see something that really looks like space and an incredible result, you're going to see it. That's so nice. I think we're going to try and do something on the canvas, everywhere on the canvas, so that it looks like space. So anyway, guys, I think it's a nice result. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it, because it's easy, and what is fun about it is that we do it on a canvas and we do it over acrylic. So it's I think it's a low cost way to do a painting with ink, and I think it's a great result. I don't think we have to envy the work that can be done with ink or over glass. I think that this way it's easier. First, it's easier, of course, it's less expensive, and it's easier to hang on your wall, because it's a canvas, it's not a piece of glass, of ceramic or something like that. So I think that's the way to do it. Well, for me, like always, it's subjective, to each his own. So I think at least you're gonna have to try it. Like I say, try on a small canvas. If you don't like it, well, do something else. So guys, like always, I hope you liked it. I hope you're gonna try it. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.